So I'm just going to meet Jade, who's Prousty on TikTok. She's invited me to some little Halloween ride or something. Look at how that's bright. Please can hear my exhaust, yeah! I apologise if you can't hear because of the wind noise when my visor is up, but I've got an iridium visor on, so when it's down like it is now, I cannot hear. I cannot see shit. It's fucking horrible. Oh. She already had 4 bars. Let's see how much she takes. I don't actually know how big my tank is, like 17, 20 litres? I don't actually know. What are we on? 10. 10 quid. Come on. You can get to 12. You can get to £12. Come on, you're a thirsty, thirsty girl. That sounds so weird. Oh, she's almost overflowing. Come on. Come on. Why does it always go to an odd number? Oh, 1p. There we go. And that is how it's done. It's all one big game. Bet none of you can do that. And I hear some of you saying challenge accepted. Well, I'm putting that back in. I hear some of you saying challenge accepted. Yeah, good luck. Good fucking luck. Hiya, pump 8 please. Cheers. No, thank you. Cheers, buddy. There she is, my beautiful baby. Look at her. Tucked away, sneaking a look at me around the corner. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, she's making me blush. Oh, you fucking sexy machine. Right. I've just absolutely ragged her here, by the way. Absolutely ragged her. Amazing, amazing machine. 2004 CBR 600. Listen to her roar. Nice. Right, let's definitely do the speed limit to meet Jade. Yeah. Who's sending Snapchat images in my Discord? Who is it? Own up. I should have bought a Halloween outfit to wear while I ride. Oh. Ooh. How's it going? That's nicely decorated. What? I said that's nicely decorated. Thank you. You got it quick. Yeah, I wasn't wasting any time. Oh, look at the bike. She's made it all Halloweeny. Got cobwebs on it and tape. Look at it. It looks like it's sick. Very nice. I should have done the same with mine. pops and bangs. I'm all hot.
Hey, my glasses! I can't see without them. They should be around here somewhere.
Oh no! Jade! Jade! Stay there! Where have they gone? Sorry. Oh. I almost ran him over. Oh. Running in all this gears made me tired. Oh, thank fuck a car didn't run over him. Ugh. No worries. I wonder if Scott's here. Is Scott here? Mr. Bumblebee Aprilia. Where is he? Where's that? Ooh. You alright, mate? How's it going, buddy? Loving the Ninja Turtle outfit. Oh, sorry. Loving the dinosaur outfit. Cheers, brother. What is it, cannabis? Haribo. Cheers. Ooh, fucking hell. It's not on the floor, it's on my tank, it just almost fell. That's a nice sounding bike.